Marhaba, this is Yaman from community of Babel, and in this video we're going to talk about the future tense in Syrian dialect. In Syrian dialect, it's really easy to form the future tense. Like in English, we use the present tense with the verb will, but instead of will, we have the word rah. Rah. It's similar to will. So we add the present tense, the conjugated present tense, with the verb rah. For example, if I want to use it with the pronoun ana, it means I, and use, for example, the verb lab. Lab means play, but that's of course in the past tense. As we said in previous videos, the infinitive form of the verbs are all in the past tense. So lab, played, حاول, tried, راح, went. These are all in the infinitive form in the past. So, but in the future tense, we use the present tense. So, we transform the verb from the past tense to the present tense and we add the word rah. So, the verb lab, it means played. In the present with ana, with I, it's alab. Alab means I play. We add the word rah, alab, alab. It means I will play. I will play. Next we have inte, it means you. The masculine singular you. With the verb lab, within the present tense, it's inte راح تلعب. تلعب means you play in the present, and we add راح to it, so inte راح تلعب. راح تلعب. انتي, it's the feminine you, the feminine singular you. انتي راح تلعبي. انتي راح تلعبي. تلعبي is the present form of لعب for the singular feminine you. انتي راح تلعبي. انتو is the plural you. راح, انتو راح تلعبوا. تلعبوا is the present for لعب with the plural you. So انتو راح تلعبوا. انتو راح تلعبوا. You will play. Next we have نحن. نحن, we. نحن راح نلعب. نحن راح نلعب. We will play. هو. هو, he. We add راح to the present tense of play with he. هو راح يلعب. هو راح يلعب. He will play. Then we have هي. هي, she. هي راح تلعب. هي راح تلعب. تلعب is the present tense of the verb play with she. هي راح تلعب. She will play. Next we have هنن. هنن, they. هنن راح يلعبوا. هنن راح يلعبوا. They will play. They will play. هنن راح يلعبوا. Now we have another verb that's a 4-letter verb, but the same rules apply to this verb too. Now the same rule applies to other verbs. So for example, we have the verb حاول. It's a 4-letter verb. It means tried, he tried, but we apply the same rule if we want to make it in the future tense. So أنا راح حاول. We transform the verb to the present tense and we just add the word راح to it. So أنا راح حاول, أنت راح تحاول, أنت راح تحاول, أنتِ راح تحاولي, أنتوا راح تحاولوا. نحن راح نحاول. هو راح يحاول. هي راح تحاول. هنن راح يحاولوا. Another verb is راح. راح means went. He went. راح is also a three-letter verb, but it's an irregular verb because there's a vowel in the middle. It's the letter alif. In the present tense, this alif is transformed to waw. So, in the present tense, with the pronoun I, أنا أروح. أنا أروح. So the A or the alif is transformed to waw. And with the future tense, we just add the word راح to the present tense. So it's أنا راح أروح. أنا راح أروح. أنت راح تروح. أنت راح تروح. أنت راح تروحي. أنتو راح تروحوا. نحن راح نروح. نحن راح نروح. هو راح يروح. هي راح تروح. هنن راح يروحوا. They will go. That was all for today's video. We appreciate if you like this video and hope to see you on other videos.